Greetings, everyone. You have certified personal growth and development coach and certified law of attraction specialist Keith Young back once again, giving you the Monday Manifesting personal growth and development message. And don't forget, all of this ties into the universal laws and the law of attraction, the law of deliberate creating, the law of sufficiency and abundance, all of this ties in. But it all still begins with your mindset. If you have a success and confident mindset where you are unlimited in your potential and that you strive to use more and more of your potential each and every day, you will be a success and attract the things that you want in your life because you're focused on the right things. And that's the whole key to the law of attraction, is focusing on the things you want and eliminating that negative and lack and scarcity mindset. But today I want to talk about exactly about your mindset and how we get into that. So first, let me just go ahead and share this screen here with you. And it's all about really focusing on those things that you want. Okay, let me get this up here for you. All right, so I hope you can see this image here. And this is how our self-image comes about, our mindset, if you will, because isn't your self-image about the belief you have about yourself? Again, it all turns back to thoughts and beliefs. So as you can see here, let me go ahead and do this. As you can see right here, first of all, it starts with your perception, your distortions in perception. What is your perception about yourself and about any area of your life, about your career, about your relationships, you just name it, about your perception about yourself? These can get distorted, and that's stored in our subconscious mind about the beliefs that we have about ourselves and our capabilities. Then what happens is when we have this distorted perception, now right here, it's the distortion in your response. You're going to respond in the direct proportion as the beliefs you have, your perception about yourself and about maybe just this certain situation. Let's use money as an example. Do you believe you can make more money next year? Do you believe you can become wealthy? Do you believe you can become one of those rich people that some people, in fact, I have a very negative response to rich people, a perception of rich people, because I was led to believe, people like us don't have money, because we don't want to become one of those rich people because they look down on people. So what happens is we have a distorted perception and we give a distorted response, which then brings us right here. And what happens here is distortion in results. We're not getting the results we want because of a distorted response that we're giving from a distorted perception. And then with the results, that reflects, guess what, our self-image. Our self-image then is comes from a distorted perception, from the distorted response, we get the distorted results. It adds to the self-image, which is a distortion. It's not what we want, is it? So how do we get all of that from this thing called our distorted perception? Write down, what kind of perception do you want of yourself, of this certain situation? What is the best possible outcome that I have? And in that, start focusing on that, start meditating on that, which will give you, instead of a distorted response, it'll give you the response that you want. You'll start acting in a way in direct proportion to the perception that you now have, your new perception of this result that you want, of the response that you want, which will then give you the result that you want. So when you start getting those results, guess what? Your self-image goes up, because now you can actually prove to yourself this here, your self-image is one of success, abundance, prosperity, wealth, money, all of those things. That's how you get a better self-image of yourself. So I hope this has helped a little bit, this message, Manifesting Monday message, because all of this, once you get that self-image of where you want, and again, this is the cycle of self-image. Once you get that, the law of attraction automatically kicks in, because now you believe you can have these things. Now you can allow these things into your life. So I hope this has kind of given you a good visual picture of how you can create the self-image that you want. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that little bell. That'll give you notifications. If you're on Facebook and watching this on Facebook, please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my Inner Game Magic #1 channel as well. Just go ahead and give that a like and follow along. And if you ever need a free session, a free discovery session, breakthrough and discovery session, just email me at keith@innergamemagic.com. I am going to be giving away some free stuff at the end of the year, towards the end of the year. So keep that in mind as well. I'm going to be giving away a free class that I'm going to be teaching on habits. So if you need information about that, just send me an email or just get on my mailing list. Just go to innergamemagic.com. Get the free audio that's on there. You'll get right on my mailing list, and I send out all the announcements through there. But I'll also be posting on Facebook as well. So until the next video, wishing you much abundance, prosperity, and success.